How do you think is going to be effective for your brand to grow from a niche market to something, a very renowned player in the Indian industry?
Okay, so yeah, my name's Charlie Thompson. So I'm one of the founders of the massage company with Elliot Walker, and we're really excited about the partnership with Fran Global because it's the right type of business for us to partner with. And Fran Global's expertise in India and our expertise in our business will fit together very, very well. And we're very confident that if we can help train and help the team at Fran Global really understand our brand, then they will be able to deliver a really strong franchise expansion for us here.
Okay, so for expanding a business here in India, what are some several challenges that you came across?
Yeah, so I think what we have to do is we have to build an expectation and create a new product in the market. You know, really now there is a very high-end market of massage therapy in spas at quite a premium price, and there's a very, very popular, accessible, low price point with easy at-home massage, trained, low quality but easy accessible. And really we're coming in the middle of this. We're coming in just below 5-star with a really affordable price but a really high quality. And so we're expecting this education of the consumer to be a challenge. But as we grow, we know that the success and the way we can share that business will actually change the market. We've seen this happen in the UK, it's happened in the US before this, and we expect India to follow the very same pattern of growth, in fact probably more quickly. Because, you know, the growth in India, the education is so strong,
yes.
The consumer is very intelligent, and we're expecting those people that once they realize it's something different and not just something that they've seen before, they'll understand why it's worth paying that little bit different.
Okay. How do you see this event which is happening at JW Marriott is going to help your business in getting attention in people's mind?
So the event here at JW Marriott, and we're running short taster sessions. We think that people are very interested because we are. When you look around this centre, there's a huge number of food and beverage businesses, but actually we're in a very different place because we're very much lifestyle, health and well-being.
Yes.
And the whole growth in health and well-being. That, you know, there is a fitness market and there is massage therapy in that space, and of course we're the only operators here in massage therapy, and we're expecting the fact that we're something new and something different to be very, very exciting for people. We're really looking forward to the franchisee, the master franchise seminars that we're supporting and we're talking in as well, and we see this as a really strong launch for us to start the massage company.